Hello, this is Neesha and I'm from Bangalore. We reside here from past 15 years and this is the first visit to Pyramid Valley. We are here today at Pyramid Valley on a Sunday and we planned this trip after a very long time, especially coming here after COVID when we were homebound and there was nothing to do. So I got inclined towards meditation, and today meditating here in the Pyramid Valley, it was surreal. It was very, very nice and amazing. Especially, we live in a city where there is so much of noise and so much of stress all the time. So meditating in places like these and centers like these are amazing, and there should be more places who promote these ancient techniques of relaxation. It is very natural and very, very peaceful. There is hygienic and vegetarian food also available. The food is very hygienic, and sattvic food is available for everybody. So you can bring your parents, your children, your own self if you want to pull out of the hustle and bustle of the city and relax here with your family. And it is at a nominal charge. You can come here with your family, and there's annadhana which is available. So there is nothing to worry, and you can just come here and meditate and stay here for some time. Thank you.